Hello, sir. Uh, Good afternoon. So now today's date is 14 July 2021. So now today's topic is uh, predefined methods in string. Okay. So before that, I'm introducing myself. My name is Valmik Sharmade. I'm from Nashik, but currently living in Pune. So while talking about my education qualification, I completed my graduation in Bachelor of Engineering from D.O. Patil College of Engineering. And while I'm talking about my family background, there are 5 members in my family, including me. In my family, father, mother, and 2 younger brothers. Father is farmer, mother is housewife, and 2 younger brothers are students. Okay, so in being a fresher, I'm enthusiastic to learn new things, and I know the programming language such as Core Java and SQL. So while I'm talking about my hobbies, I like to do traveling, coding, and gaming too. And while I'm talking about my aim, I want to be myself as a valuable assets for any organization. So coming back to the point, so what is string? First of all, uh, what is string? String, it is a collection of character. String, it is a non-primitive data type. String is a object. String, it is a non-primitive data type. So we can create the object of string by using three classes. First is string class, second is string buffer class, third is string builder class. Okay, so I'm talking about string class. Okay, so we have to create a object of string by using 2 ways. First way is by using literals, and second way is by using a new keyword. So I'm taking one example. If I'm creating the object by using literal, so that is string s is equals to help sign, that uh, one object will be created by using literals. That object is located in string constant full. Okay, so second way is that by using new keyword. For example, string s is equals to new string in bracket, double unit comma, double unit quote, help sign. That having a two objects will be created. One object is in heap memory, and the second object is in string constant pool. Okay, so so new keyword prefer in heap memory, object of in heap memory. Okay, so that is that 2 ways by creating the objects. Okay, so now in string there are multiple predefined methods are there. Okay, so I'm explaining that methods line by line. So first is to char array method. That method, the return type of that method is character array. Okay, so if our that method transfer the string into the character array. Okay, so that is the to char array method. For example, I am taking the string s is equals to hep sign. That hep sign is a string that converts into the character array, that is HEFSHINE. Okay, so that is the example of to char array. Next is to char add. Okay, so that is a return type is integer. Okay, so return type is a character. If I am giving the index number, then we give the character. Okay, so the third is to uppercase. If our string is in lowercase, the method of to uppercase method transfer that lowercase to the uppercase, and to lowercase method if our string is in lowercase, then it transfer to the uppercase. Okay, so is blank means here is no any character. String is created, but no not single character or not a single space is there. Space is not present. Okay, but is empty method. In that is empty method, uh, the string is created, but here is a space is present in that string. Okay, that is the is empty method. Next is compare to. Okay, compare to method compare the two strings lexicographically. Its return type is integer. Compare to method use the difference between the ASCII value. If comparing two strings, if one character, comparing one by one character, if the character is different, it gives the difference of that ASCII value of that character. Okay, so that is a compare to method. Equal to method, if two strings are equal by content, then equal to methods are used. Okay, the return type of equal to method is true and false. The next is last index of method gives the string of last index. If I'm taking one example, if string s1 is equals to Nashik Pune and string s2 is equals to Pune, then it gives the first index of string Pune. Okay, that is 4. Okay, so next is starts with, if our first string starts with the second string, then it gives the true value, else it gives false. Okay, so starts with method, the return type of starts with method is true and false. Okay, ends with, same like a ends with is also same like a starts with. Ends with, our our first string ends with the second string. For example, if I taken one example, string s1 is equals to Pune Nashik and string s2 is equals to Nashik, that s1 ends with the string s2, that is Nashik, so it returns the true value. Okay, so ends with method also returns the true and false, that is boolean. Okay, so next is index of method. We gives the character, our return type is integer. That in which character that character in which index that character is present, it gives the index of that character. Okay, that is index of that. Next is strip trailing and strip leading. Okay, so strip trailing method gives the string without trailing spaces. Okay, if I taken a string s is equals to double inverted quote, space 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 and hip sign, that strip leading remove the leading space, and strip trailing remove the trailing space. Okay, and next is trim. Trim method, it is the properties of combination of strip trailing and strip leading. Okay, so trim method trim the starting space and ending space, that is leading space and trailing space. Okay, that is a to trim method. Its return type also string. The next method is empty. Is empty method gives the is empty method, space is present, and is blank method space is not present. Okay, so the next method is that length method. Length method calculate the length of string. Okay, and its return type also integer. And the toString method, it is the method in the string class, it is the method in the object class. Okay, that toString method gives the string object. It If we want to print the output as a string object, then toString method is used. Okay, so its return type also object as a string. And if our toString method is not called, then Java compiler internally call the toString method, and output will be the object of toString method. Okay, so then the next method is substring. Okay, the substring substring method gives the return type is string. If in that method we have to put that beginning index and the ending index, due to that we get the substring of that string. Okay, so the next method is concat method. we have two strings, that is s1 and s2. If we get the output of combination of two methods, two strings, okay, then we concat method we use. Okay, the next is repeat. The repeat method, if our string is s1 is equals to abc, okay, and if we repeat that one single character two times, then repeat two, okay, then the output will be abc. Okay, so that is the repeat method. Hash code method gives the is return type is hash code type. Okay, it gives the hash code of object. Okay, so the next method is split method. Split method gives the return type of split method is string array. It gives the array of string. Okay, so that's all about the string. Thank you.